Hey students, this is Mrs. Lathrop, and I wanted to introduce you to my dogs. This is Zeke, and this is Zoe. And as you can see, they're usually very mellow. There's a game that I love to play with them, which I will say in just a moment, that makes them really excited. And I wanted to design a scientific investigation around that game. The name of the game is Chuck It. Guys, you want to play some Chuck It? So this is the game of Chuck It. As you can see, my dogs are really fast. I've always wondered how fast they are and what factors affect their speed. So I'm going to design a scientific investigation around the speed of my dogs in the game of Chuck It. Good boy, Zeke. So here's my question. Does the number of Chuck It outings affect how fast my dogs run? So here's my research. It's all prior knowledge. I know that Chuck It makes them tired. I know I get tired if I try and go for multiple runs in a day. And I know that my dogs are not superheroes. So my hypothesis is that if I play Chuck It multiple times, then my dogs will get progressively slower because they will tire. And I want to show you my materials. To do this experiment, I'm going to be using a Chuck It, which is that orange ball right there. I'm going to be using this Garmin GPS because I can use it to put on my dog's collar so that I can record his speed. And I'm also going to use my scientific notebook right here. So those are my materials, and let's get started. So here we are getting ready to play Chuck It. My husband, Mr. Lathrop, is putting the GPS on Zeke, and it is currently, I don't know if you can see that. There it is. It is currently 2:10 in the afternoon. 2:10. Okay, so here's a process that we use. Zeke's got the GPS around his neck, and my husband throws the ball. Throws it for the black dog first, Zoe, and then for Zeke, and there he goes. So each time that he comes back and we take the reading off of him, I record it here in my notebook, the average speed and the maximum speed. And here he comes. My husband, Mr. Lathrop, is going to take the reading. Here we go, outing number 3. It is currently 7:02 on Sunday evening. We are getting set with our equipment and ready to go. So while Zeke is still running and playing Chuck It, Zoe is just hanging out. So we're finished. Now it's time to go home and analyze my data. Thanks, Mr. Lathrop.